Here we are, here we are, here we are. We have got to find something. Here we are, we gotta go through them. Gotta raise the car culture. Number 4. And it is none other than the Porsche 962. We didn't come here looking for that. And we also got the Porsche 78935. Here we are, here we are, here we are. Alright, let's go into the bond. Ooh. Yes! Yes! It's not a super, guys, but I really wanted this. Yes! Yes! I got a Chevy pickup truck. There's gotta be more here, man. I like that. Good start, good start, good start, good start to the hunt today. To say I found some cool stuff already. Yes, really wanted a Chevy truck. I gotta find another one now. I gotta find another one. I gotta find another one. Put this over here. You don't want to make a mess. I gotta find another one. Or maybe a super, you never know. Maybe a super. That's what we came here for. That's what they call it, hunting. You gotta hunt for it. You gotta hunt for it. For what you want. Alright. I hope everybody's doing well. Families, friends, loved ones, and everybody on your side over there. On your end, on the other end of this line, I hope you're doing pretty good over there. Red. Not into that anyways. Red. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing okay. Your family, your loved ones. More red. Hope you're doing fine, guys. And again, that's why they call it hunting, because we need to go out there and hunt for it. Gotta find them. Gotta find these pieces that we want, that we like, that we collect. And I've been uploading videos, so I hope you're liking them and subscribing to the channel. And also, I want to also thank you for subscribing to the channel. And you know, let me know what's new out there. Post your videos, guys. We want to see what's out there. We also want to see your videos too. If there's anything you see on my videos that you like, that you would like to trade for or buy, let me know. I mean, I collect and I trade, so, and I sell too. Blast lane. Okay. I think we went through this already. Yeah, so let me know. Let me know, guys. I'll pick this one up. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'll pick it up. Car's a little bent over here, but I'll pick it up. We got 2 trucks, a Ford, and the beloved Chevy. What I wanted. I am so glad I found that Chevy, because I've been wanting it, man. I think I went through this one already. So, I've been wanting a Chevy, and looks like it's the only one. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for now. But I'm gonna see if I stick around for a little while, because they gotta bring out the other pallets. I'm gonna bring them out in a little bit, so Stick out here looking around through the other pallets. Let me see, sometimes they keep on this sign, all they have is matchbox. So yep guys, happy hunting, God bless. Keep in touch. And oh, look at this. Should I pick it up? Of course we'll pick it up. The skyline. All right, see, no matter what, always go around. I mean I like the skyline, so I'm picking it up. So yeah guys, until then, happy hunting, God bless. Let's stick around here, see if they bring out these pallets, and I can find something. So I guess I'll keep you guys posted. Happy hunting.